Yes, I know it is. It will take time. मेरे लिए सबसे tough interview था. Not just because it is something ज्ञान देने में मजा आता है, लेकिन so journey towards UPSC started only after my internship. So I did my schooling from Cambridge, School Srinivas Puri, and after that I prepared for medical and went to Subhati Medical College. There I did my BDS, and after that I started preparing for civil services. In 2014 I cleared this. 2014 I cleared exam, and 2015 I was allocated Armed Forces Headquarters Service. The kind of struggle that everybody has was first struggle was I'm completely from a business family, so there is not much a professional background, so that was the first struggle. And apart from that, the UPSC doesn't spare anybody, so it toils you to do hard work, it toils you to be focused and discipline yourself beyond measures. So yes, that was it. प्रिपरेशन अपने आप में बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट टाइम होता ही है, और मेरे लिए नहीं, हर किसी के लिए डिफिकल्ट टाइम होता है, बिकॉज वो आपकी हर तरीके की एबिलिटी को टेस्ट करता है कि क्या आप अपने आप को डिसिप्लिन रख सकते हैं, क्या आप फोकस कर सकते हैं, क्या आप बिना थके एक लंबे टाइम तक पढ़ सकते हैं. बिकॉज यूपीएससी इज नॉट अ जर्नी विच एंड्स इन 2-3 months. It's a journey which takes years. So I started in 2012, which at that time I gave my first prelims, and it continued till 2017. So it was a long journey. आपको सालों साल persist करना होता है इस एग्जाम के लिए. So definitely there were many high points, there were many low points, but यही था कि हमेशा एक sense of purpose अगर आपके पास रहता है तो वो आपको propel करता है कि आप कहीं ना कहीं अपने उस लो पॉइंट से रिशरेक्ट करें अगेन. So that was my strategy. I always used to think there's a purpose why I'm toiling so much. There is a purpose why I am sacrificing other things in my life and concentrating on my studies. And apart from that, एक zeal of learning आपके अंदर infuse हो जाती है जब आप UPSC का एग्जाम देते हैं. You become very curious. देश दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है. So you are interested in economy, you are interested in polity, you are interested in geography. So you are interested in such wide fields that you become a different person altogether. So वो learning experience रहा मेरे लिए पूरा preparation time. High points रहे जब मेरा selection हुआ, और हर बार interview दिया मैंने, और मतलब अच्छे point अच्छी रही मेरी journey. It was a very learning phase for me. And I made very good friends for lifetime during that time. और अभी सब अलग-अलग services में भी हैं, तो हम लोग साथ में मिलते हैं, and we generally cherish our time when we used to prepare together, we used to study together and compare our marks and everything. So it was a fun time also. ऐसे moments बीच-बीच में आते हैं, especially after 2 or 3 attempts. ऐसे वाले phases frequently आने लगते हैं जब आपको second thoughts आते हैं कि I have a career backup, then why I am wasting my years here. और मतलब आपको वो वाले second thoughts जो आते हैं अपनी मेहनत, अपनी capability पे, वो सभी के साथ आते हैं. तो फिर वो जो second thoughts होते हैं, वही again आपको कहीं ना कहीं अपने आप को reassure करना पड़ता है कि yes, I know it is. It will take time. Yes, it demands sacrifice, but anything which is worthwhile demands sacrifice. So if it had been so easy, if it had been so worthless, everybody would have got it. So that is why one needs to put everything, sacrifice a lot of things for this exam. So this is what I used to think back then, and just keep pushing myself to persist in preparation and give exam again and all this stuff. मेरे लिए सबसे टफ इंटरव्यू था प्रीलिम्स. it never worried me because I always had very good marks in prelims. Even mains, I can write, and I didn't had any serious problem in mains. But in my initial interview days, there was first issue which I faced was I'm a very frank and very chirpy kind of person. So it is very difficult for me to become a little formal and have a serious look while giving interview. So that informality was what was keeping me away from my selection. So in starting one or two interviews of mine, I didn't score well for interview, but then definitely I started working on my personality. I studied what characteristics were required to be a good civil servant, and what how can I make myself more presentable to the interview board. And again, then as it is for every exam, I narrowed down to some strategies, some tricks for interview, and then in my last two interviews I scored really well. So that I feel is something I'm really happy about. Finally I learned to give interviews. I'm very zealous towards helping other candidates, not just because it is something ज्ञान देने में मजा आता है, लेकिन I really feel because when I was giving interview, I definitely needed somebody to tell me small tweaks that were needed in my personality to become more presentable to UPSC board. And it's very painful when you cross the races of prelims and mains, and you enter a small lot of interview people who are giving interviews for final selection, and you realize because of some unconscious few things, some unconscious habits, or some unconscious things, very small things, you end up getting low marks in interview. So I started taking interviews and all that stuff, just to don't repeat my failures with others. So guys, it is always good to do a good thing at the end of a video, that is to like and subscribe it. Thank you.